Putting our time zone details into DV switch, which is on a Raspberry Pi 3B. So we use PuTTY to talk to the DV switch. I know I've plugged in my Raspberry Pi, which is found it's connected to the Wi-Fi. There's the IP address. So we've put the IP address into PuTTY, as you can see. So we'll just click open. It's now going to ask me for my username and password. Password's in. Then we'll move on to the next section. The default password is actually DV switch, then DV switch. Once you get the password right, you'll get to this window. We're going to type in sudo raspberry config. Once you get to sudo raspberry config, you then can now make changes. So we're the next change is to arrow down to number 5, hit enter, then go down to L2, then go down to Europe, then go to London, hit enter, then go to update and hit enter, which we'll do now. We get all this happen. Seems to be doing something. That's it, and it took us back to this original page, so it's updated automatically. And then we just click finish. That's the DV switch server updated using PuTTY. So just remember that most of the selecting has been done using these arrows, but you can go right and left. So if we look on here, we go right, finish, that's hitting the right arrow, and then enter.